Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 July 2018, 14 of hour, 56 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much do HVAC techs make a year in California? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much do HVAC techs make a year in California. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much do HVAC techs make a year in California. Average HVAC technician yearly salary in California. HVAC technicians earn a median salary of $51,500 per year. Salaries typically start from $30,790 and go up to $87,940. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.